I think it's really, really interesting that babies, although they don't have adult or even child eyesight, they aren't born with the ability to see across the room. They can only see the distance about from when you cradle your baby in your arms to their parents or their provider's face. And I think that's a really neat thing to tell parents, is that your baby is recognizing and learning your face when you're holding your baby in your arms. And so I encourage parents to hold their baby, to look at their baby. Their baby is learning their face and starting to recognize their parents' faces. And the most important thing is to look at your baby, to have your baby in your arms, to be close to your baby, to make different kinds of faces to your baby. And they are learning all of the time. So babies are learning their parents' voices while they are still in the womb, which I think is a really neat thing. And so when they are born, babies have the ability to distinguish their parents' voices. And that is something that I like to tell my parents and also let them know they are learning language. Unlike eyesight, where babies can't see perfectly when they are born, their hearing is fully developed when they are born. And so it's really important also for parents to be talking to their babies in the womb, and then of course when they're out of the womb, to be talking to your babies, to be exposing them to language, to start reading to your babies. I love to ask my parents to start reading to their babies even on day one. And if you can get into a routine of reading for even a couple minutes every night, I say to many of my busy parents, 5 minutes a night, every single night, for the duration of through the teenage years, that's a lot of reading, and that's a lot of opportunity for language learning for their baby.